On this blessed occasion of the 77th founding anniversary of the United Church of Christ in the Philippines, we lift our hearts in gratitude to God for God's abiding faithfulness and overflowing grace. Today, we celebrate not only the rich and meaningful history of our church, but also the steadfast commitment of its faithful members in advancing God's mission of justice, peace, and the integrity of creation. As we reflect on our collective journey, may we be continually inspired to embody the vision of the new heaven and the new earth, a vision rooted in love, inclusivity, and prophetic witness. Even in the face of challenges that threaten our unity, we hold fast to the hope of harmony, reminding ourselves of the sacred beauty found in unity amid diversity. Indeed, there is hope for meaningful change, hope for the church and the society we aspire to become. To all UCCP constituents, church workers, lay leaders, and mission partners, congratulations to us all. May the Holy Spirit continue to empower us anew as we continue walking in faith and service as partners in God's mission to usher in God's shalom here on earth. Mabuhay ang Sambahayang UCCP. To God be the glory.